Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to close all tabs on iPhone and iPad. If you're new to iPhone or iPad and using Safari browser for few days, and you may notice that plenty of tabs left opened on your Safari browser, and you may be wondering how to force close all of them quickly. There are multiple ways. The very first method is when you tap and hold the bottom right corner multiple pages icon, you will have an option. Along with other options, you will have the force close option to close all the tabs at an instant, or you can close the particular tab. Wherever you long press the icon in the Safari browser, you will see different actions that can be performed specific to that website or to all other tabs as well. So in the multiple pages, you can see when you long press the done icon at the bottom right corner, you will see the close all tabs option. It will clear up the currently opened tabs. Since iOS 17, you can create tab groups to manage multiple websites that you are planning to visit. And if you have any important websites, you can have a preview by tapping and holding, the left bottom corner plus icon, and that will give you the list of websites that are opened. And when you long press the number of tabs option, you will see whether to copy all the links so that you can paste it on your pages or notes application, or you can add all those links to the bookmarks if you think something are important. The manage tab groups open this page, and there you can create a new tab group with all the tabs currently opened. So if you don't want to close all the tabs, instead you want to clear and get a new tab, you can select this option. If you think some of the links that cannot be reviewed immediately and you want to review it later, you can use that option. And you can create multiple tabs and keep any one as primary that you want to keep it clean and have less number of tabs open. So this is how you can close all tabs on iPhone on Safari browser. And we have launched our new wallpaper website exclusive to iPhone. I leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment. Thanks so much for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.